Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you guys so much for joining the channel today. Today, as you can see, I am not in my usual office setup. I am currently in Singapore with OnePlus. So huge shout out to OnePlus and the Snapdragon Insiders program for sending me out to Singapore to learn more about the brand new OnePlus 15, as well as a lot of innovations that OnePlus is making in the gaming space in terms of features and optimizations. So today in this video, I'm just going to do a general walkthrough of the device. I can't really go over like my full experience yet, at least until global launch. So this video is just going to be over just some of the main features of this device. So as you can see, I actually have the sand variant of the OnePlus 15. I really love this color. It kind of reminds me of like a matte version of the OnePlus Almond, which was like my favorite OnePlus color back in the day. I had that on my OnePlus 7 Pro. But yeah, I really love this color, and durability is going to be really awesome with the new technology that they're using with these. On this specific model of the OnePlus 15, they are using a brand new material. It is called the Crystal Shield Super Ceramic Glass. I'm really curious to see how this will last over time in terms of durability. In terms of button placement, the right side has the volume rockers, and that is a power button, while the left side only has one button, and this is a new custom button in which you could adjust things such as like alert settings, or you could use it as an AI button to hop into OnePlus's AI software. On the top, you get speaker grills and a mic, and on the bottom, you get a new 3.2 USB-C port, as well as the SIM card tray, speaker grill, and microphones. Right now, the OnePlus 15 only has one size, and it is sporting this 6.78 AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a brand new 165 Hz refresh rate. This screen should be great for gaming and scrolling through social media at a smooth rate. And pairing that with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, this phone should definitely be flying. So this variant that I'm using now has 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.1 storage, as well as a new kind of RAM. It has 16 gigabytes of this new LPDDR5X RAM. This RAM is something that smartphones has never seen before, so let's see how this improves the performance of the OnePlus 15. This phone is running Oxygen OS 16, which is based on Android 16, and there are a lot of AI features that are advertised that I'm very excited about, and we'll see how this improves productivity when I'm using my phone over time. In terms of battery, we have something else that we really haven't seen before, especially in the North American market, and that is a 7300 milliamp hour battery. Not only is this battery massive, you can charge this up pretty quick too. Out of the box, you get an 120 watt fast charger in which you can go from 0 to 100 in around 39 minutes, which is just kind of insane. And you can also charge this with 50 watts wireless charging. OnePlus is also pretty much revamping all of their cameras. You're getting 3 new 50 megapixel cameras on the backs and a new 32 megapixel camera on the front. The 3, you get a telephoto with 3x optical zoom. You get your ultra wide and your wide angle lens. And on the front, you get that 32 megapixel that is actually able to go up to 4K 60 this year, which is really nice. Some other features that I think you should be excited about on this device is the new ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, as well as a 3.2 USB-C port on the bottom of the phone to help move data just a little bit faster. And this is going to be also IP68 and 69 dust and water resistant. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up by saying I am very excited to see how all of these specifications and features come together to make the OnePlus 15 as a whole. And if you guys have any questions about the product, feel free to leave it in the comments. I will definitely be doing some comparisons of this phone to the phones that I use currently, such as the S24 Ultra, as well as the Pixel 8 Pro. And I know I got some cases coming in for the OnePlus 15 as well. So if you guys are interested in any of that, definitely like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you could be the first to see these videos. So I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. Thanks for watching.